We're back for some more of our Super Nintendo World Grand Opening Special with another game. And we're going to play a couple of Xbox 360 games. The first one is, of course, Wheel of Fortune. Let's see how it goes. Alright. Let's have a good game. Alright, let's sit down here. My comfortable chair. We're going to play the game. Yeah, we'll play in Hollywood, because, you know, that's where Super Nintendo World's going to be. Hollywood.
From the heart of Hollywood, here are the stars of America's Game, Sajak and Vanna White.
Hello, Hollywood. What a great-looking crowd. Welcome, everybody, to Wheel of Fortune. We're having a good time here, and the contestants are ready to try and win $1,000 in our first toss-up. Proper name is the category. Vanna's all set, and here we go. Player one.
Britney Spears.
Yeah, that's it. Good start with $1,000, player one. Get ready to ring in as we go to our next puzzle. Place is what we're looking for this time. Vanna, go ahead.
Place, alright. Rooftop.
And it's player one. Nice going. Congratulations. Did it again. Add $2,000 to your score. Player one has got the $2,000, and they'll be spinning shortly. Jim?
Welcome to the jackpot round, and here's tonight's featured prize. Relax and rejuvenate in Belize. Found within lush tropical jungles and ancient Mayan ruins, this exotic adventure offers hiking, snorkeling, and wonderful spa treatments. $7,500.
The category is food and drink. Player one is all poised and ready to spin. $900. One of them.
Yeah.
$550. Two of them.
Woo!
Come on, big money. Look at that luck. Choose. There is a W.
Alright!
Go on and pick up that wedge.
You've gotten the $1 million wedge.
Let's have your vote. Yes, there is an E. Player one, there are two of those. Player no A.
Oh, there's no A. Darn.
Oh no. Oh,
Come on, big money.
Yeah!
No L. 600. Sorry, none of those. Let's have your vowel. There must be some O's. How many?
Egg foo young with shrimp?
We've got a solution attempt here. Let's see how it goes. There you go. By solving this puzzle, you're one step closer to winning $1 million. We'll be back after this.
Welcome to the Mystery Round.
And the category is Fun and Games. And our first spinner will be player 2. Could be trouble. The bankrupt got you.
Ah.
300. No, sorry. $600. There is an
Woohoo!
All right. Yes, there is an E. Keep it going. Nice one. Yes.
Woo!
Go on and pick up that gift tag. All right. There must be some eyes. How many?
Oh, finger painting.
Okay, go for it, player 1. Nice going. Congratulations. You've won some cash and a prize. You're doing pretty well for yourself. We'll be back in just a second. What are you doing is our next category. All right, prize puzzle. A lot at stake here. There's the puzzle, and here goes player 3. $300. Nope, sorry. $300. One, the better. There you go. $500. You got it. All right, there are 2 of those.
I had a feeling there'd at least be an E or 2.
Let's have you. There must be some eyes. How many?
Vacationing in Central America?
Okay, go for it, player 1. Yeah, that's it. You won a great trip. Just listen to Jim. Player 1?
You're in for a great time as you soak up the sunshine in Costa Rica. Enjoy an all-inclusive getaway with meals, drinks, and activities. $8,000.
You've won some cash and a prize. You're doing pretty well for yourself.
$14,900.
We've got a lot more money to give away, hopefully to everyone, right after this. It's time for the third toss-up, $3,000. Thing is the category. And here we go. Player one.
Goodbye.
Nice going. Congratulations. We're going to start with you, player one, because you won the last toss-up. Star and roll. That's our category
That's a
this
category
round.
we don't see too often.
Player one, it's your turn to start. Let's make the most of it.
This category too often.
550. There must be some. Essie, how many?
Tom Hanks as...
Yeah! Woo!
Player, yep, we got 3 letters for you. Let's get those up there.
I know it's Tom Hanks.
Let's have your vowel. 3 of them.
Tom Hanks as... someone.
All right, let's move the game along and give the wheel a final spin. After you guess a letter in the puzzle, you have 15 seconds to solve. Vowels are worth nothing. Consonants are worth $1,000, plus whatever value I spin. $300. Give us a letter, player one. There must be some. N's. How many? And 15 seconds, starting now.
Tom
Yeah!
I have to pass. I know it's
Player
Tom
two.
Hanks as. That's all I know.
Not in this puzzle, sorry.
Nope. Alright.
None of those.
Let me try... Let's see.
2 of them. 15 seconds. If you want to take a crack at that.
Tom Hanks as... Solo now.
Player 2?
Tom Hanks as...
Yep, we got 2 letters for you.
Robert.
Let's get those up there. And 15 seconds, starting now.
Tom Hanks as Robert.
Player 3?
Tom Hanks as Robert.
No, next time. There is an L.
Tom Hanks as...
Player 1 is going to solve. Let's see if they get it.
Tom Hanks as Robert Langdon.
Yep, that's it. Good job on this last puzzle. You're the big winner. Bonus round for you.
$3,000 and I'm going bonus round for a chance at $1 million.
You're not the big winner, but still a decent score there. Player 2. Third place, but you still played quite well. You made it to the bonus round, and you've got a chance at winning $1 million. Cross your fingers and give that wheel a spin. Here's the prize envelope now.
Alright, $1 million.
Thing is the category for this next round. R-S-T-L-N-E. Vanna, letters, please.
Yellow. That's... Oh.
Pick 3 more consonants and a vowel.
G-E-C-A.
Let's see those letters.
Garage door? Could garage door give me $1 million?
Okay, you've got 80 seconds. What a win! Let's see what's in the envelope. Truly amazing! You have won $1 million!
It's your biggest payday yet! $1 million!
Whoa! Baby! Well, you know what this calls for. We gotta celebrate this. So we're going to celebrate right now. Couldn't get it in the Nintendo Wii version, but we did get it in the Xbox 360 version. So let's celebrate again. Wow! That was amazing.
Good night, everybody.
Bye-bye.
All right, everybody. We'll see you all for another game after the break.
This is how everyone did.